Welcome back. In the first chapter, we laid the foundation by exploring the SAP Fiori interface and understanding its core elements. Now, in this chapter, we'll take a closer look at how personalization can enhance your SAP Fiori experience. Customizing the interface allows us to tailor the system to meet individual needs, optimizing usability and efficiency.
Returning to the main screen, let's explore the settings in SAP Fiori. By clicking on the user icon in the upper right corner, we can access a settings menu with various options. This menu provides several options that allow users to tailor the system to their individual preferences, enhancing the overall experience and usability of SAP Fiori. In the SAP Fiori settings menu, the first option we'll explore is Appearance. Here, users can personalize the look and feel of their interface by selecting different visual themes. One of the most common themes is SAP Belize, which applies a lighter classic color scheme to the interface. The screen adopts a clean, bright layout that provides a familiar look to many users. Now, if you prefer to return to the modern default style, you can switch back to SAP Morning Horizon. This theme features a sleek design with subtle gradients, creating a fresh and professional appearance. Next, we have Language and Region settings. This section allows users to define preferences such as interface language, date and time formats, and the decimal notation used in financial reports. Additionally, the time zone can be configured so that timestamps in reports and logs are displayed accurately, reflecting local or global time zones as needed. Finally, let's talk about default values, a particularly useful section for streamlining daily tasks. In this section, users can predefine commonly used values such as the company code, business area, and plant. For example, if you frequently run reports for a specific company code or business unit, you can set it as the default. This means that every time you open relevant apps, such as financial reports or procurement lists, these values are automatically filled in, saving you time and ensuring consistency. Back in the user menu, users can select the Edit Home Page option, which allows customization of the SAP Fiori home page. Here we have the My Home section, which functions like a favorites area. This is where we can pin the apps we use most often for quick access. However, if no apps are added, this section will appear empty, prompting us to start organizing it. Now, let's create a new group. After creating the group, we'll open the catalog and add apps, such as Edit Profit Centers and Manage Internal Orders. Once the apps are added, they will appear within the new group, making it easier to organize and access related functionalities. We can also rename groups, move apps between them, or delete a group if it's no longer needed. When deleting a group, the system displays a confirmation message to prevent accidental removal. Once confirmed, the group is deleted, and the home page updates immediately. To optimize the user experience, SAP Fiori organizes applications and transactions into groups based on functional areas. This categorization simplifies navigation, as users can quickly locate the tools they need for their daily tasks within designated groups. For instance, the Master Data group includes applications like Manage Business Partner Master Data and Manage Product Master Data, consolidating related functions in one accessible location. The Purchase to Pay processing group encompasses applications that support the entire purchasing cycle, from creating purchase orders to managing payments to suppliers. This group streamlines each stage in the process of acquiring goods and services, ensuring efficient procurement and payment workflows. Applications like Create Purchase Order and Manage Supplier help users control and track procurement tasks seamlessly. The Plan to Produce processing group provides essential tools for planning and managing production processes. This group includes applications like Schedule MRP runs, which helps automate material requirements planning, and Monitor Stock Requirements List, which assists in tracking inventory levels and production needs. These tools ensure that materials are available at the right time, supporting efficient production workflows and reducing potential delays. The Order to Cash processing group supports the entire sales cycle, covering every step from order placement to invoicing. This group includes applications for creating sales orders, managing deliveries, and processing invoices, ensuring a streamlined approach to sales management. By centralizing these tools, SAP Fiori enables users to efficiently handle customer orders, track deliveries, and manage billing, providing comprehensive support for the sales process and enhancing customer satisfaction. The Accounts Receivable group centralizes the management of receivables, allowing users to monitor customer balances and record incoming payments. This function is vital for maintaining financial control and ensuring the timely collection of funds, supporting the company's cash flow and overall financial health. The Accounts Payable group offers tools for managing outgoing payments, including invoice control and processing payments to suppliers. This group ensures that obligations to suppliers are met efficiently, helping maintain positive supplier relationships and effective cash flow management. If additional groups are not immediately visible, you can click the arrow to expand the view and access more options. It's important to remember that the availability and organization of these groups are typically configured by your company's IT department. This setup ensures that each user has access to the specific groups and applications needed for their role, optimizing productivity and user experience.
In this chapter, we explored the customization possibilities within SAP Fiori, focusing on how settings can enhance the user experience. Through the Settings menu, we discussed options such as adjusting language, date and time formats, appearance themes, and default values. Additionally, we highlighted the Edit Homepage feature, which allows users to reorganize and prioritize tiles and applications, tailoring their workspace to better suit individual workflows. In the next and final chapter, Navigation Basics, we will dive into the core navigation features of SAP Fiori, learning how to move efficiently through the system and access essential tools with ease. See you there.